Beautiful freestanding ranch condo in the Village of Richland. Built in 2021 and an onlky lived in for 3 months. Spacious floor plan with 9 ceilings throughout. Open concept great room west/corner gas log fireplace, beautiful kitchen west/island sink, granite countertops and stainless appliances. Large laundry/mudroom with laundry tub and granite-topped bench. Bathrooms have top quality vanity tops. Master bath has a huge, low threshold, custom tiled master shower with 2 shower heads, built-in seat and shelving, ceramic tile and vinyl plank flooring. Covered front porch and backyard balcony deck. 2-car attached garage with plenty of storage space. Unfinished daylight basement which is plumbed for 3rd full bath and ready to be finished. All built with energy saving and accessibility features.